Welcome, coin lovers. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating history, design, and value of the 2000 P1 coin, also known as the Sacagawea Dollar. The year 2000 marked a significant milestone in United States coinage history with the introduction of the Sacagawea Dollar, often referred to as the Golden Dollar. The 2000 P1 coin was the very first release in this series, minted at the Philadelphia Mint, which is why it carries the P Mint mark. Unlike the previous Susan B. Anthony dollar that failed to gain popularity due to its similarity in size and color to the quarter, the Sacagawea Dollar was designed to stand out with its distinctive golden appearance and smooth edge, making it both practical and visually unique. The obverse of the 2000 P1 coin features a portrait of Sacagawea, the Shoshone Native American woman who assisted the Lewis and Clark expedition, designed by artist Glenna Gooddacker. The portrait shows Sacagawea in three-quarter view, carrying her infant son Jean-Baptiste on her back. This design was praised for honoring both Native American heritage and the role of women in American history. The word liberty is inscribed prominently at the top, while the national motto, "In God We Trust," appears on the left side. At the bottom, the year 2000 is displayed along with the mint mark P to indicate production at the Philadelphia Mint. On the reverse, designed by Thomas D. Roger Sr., the coin features a striking depiction of a soaring bald eagle, surrounded by 17 stars representing the states of the Union at the time of Sacagawea's historic journey in the early 1800s. The inscriptions include United States of America and the Latin motto E Pluribus Unum, meaning out of many one. The denomination $1 is clearly shown as well. This combination of symbolism made the coin not just a medium of exchange, but also a tribute to American heritage and unity. The composition of the 2000 P1 coin is another feature worth noting. While it's often referred to as the Golden Dollar, the coin is not made of actual gold. Instead, it is composed of a core of pure copper with outer layers of manganese brass, giving a golden color that is resistant to tarnishing. This innovative alloy made the coin visually distinct while keeping production costs reasonable. The coin has a diameter of 26.5 millimeters and a weight of 8.1 grams, making it slightly larger and heavier than a quarter, but smaller than the Eisenhower dollar. In terms of production, the year 2000 saw an enormous mintage of Sacagawea dollars, as the U.S. Mint attempted to circulate the new design widely among the public. More than 767 million of these coins were struck across both the Philadelphia and Denver mints, with the Philadelphia Mint alone producing over 767 million 2000 P coins. Despite such high numbers, the coin struggled to gain everyday use in commerce, as the public still preferred the familiar dollar bill. However, its golden appearance and beautiful design attracted collectors, ensuring its popularity in the numismatic world. Collectors value the 2000 P1 coin based on condition, rarity of varieties, and whether the coin has special characteristics. In circulated condition, these coins typically trade for around face value, since so many were minted. However, uncirculated examples in mint condition, especially those graded MS65 or higher, can fetch anywhere between $5 and $15 depending on demand. Proof versions, as well as coins and special mint sets, are even more desirable. One particularly famous variety is the 2000 P Cheerios Dollar, which was part of a promotional campaign by General Mills. These coins featured enhanced tail feathers on the eagle design and are considered very rare, often selling for thousands of dollars at auction. The Sacagawea Dollar series as a whole was intended to encourage the use of dollar coins in everyday commerce, much like in other countries where coins are more durable than paper notes. However, despite heavy promotion and even distribution through vending machines, public transit systems, and retail businesses, the coin never replaced the dollar bill. Instead, it found its niche among collectors and in specialized uses, such as in Native American dollar programs and special commemorative releases. When analyzing the historical and cultural significance of the 2000 P1 coin, it is important to note that this was the first widely circulated U.S. coin to feature a Native American woman as its central design. It symbolized a step toward inclusivity and recognition of diverse contributions to the nation's history. The image of Sacagawea carrier's son also emphasized themes of family, exploration, and guidance, qualities that resonate strongly with the American spirit. From an investment perspective, while common examples of the 2000 P Sacagawea dollar may not yield large profits, rare varieties and coins preserved in pristine condition offer great potential. Collectors often seek out coins with unique minting errors, such as double strikes, off-center strikes, or die cracks, which has significantly increased a coin's value. For example, certain 2000 P error coins have been known to sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the uniqueness of the mistake and the interest of collectors. Today, the 2000 P $1 coin remains an essential piece of modern U.S. numismatics. It represents not only the government's attempt to modernize the nation's currency, but also a celebration of history and culture. Even though it did not achieve the widespread circulation that the U.S. Mint had hoped for, it continues to hold a place of importance in collections worldwide. Its beauty, symbolism, and variety of collectible versions make it a fascinating subject for both casual hobbyists and serious numismatists. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2000 P $1 Sacagawea coin. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin history and value updates.